factor completely 5a plus 3y plus ay plus 15. Here we have to use factor by grouping. We need to group this such a way where we factor them, we have something in common between those two. There are three different ways we can group this. We can group the first two and the last two together. In this case, that's not going to help us because we don't have anything in common between 5a and 3y. Or I can group the two middle term and two furthest term. And the other possibility would be the grouping the first term and the third term and the second term and the last term. Well, let's see if we can group the first term and the last term together, and then group the two middle terms together like that. We have 5 in common between the first two terms now. If I factor the 5 out, I would get a plus 3. And I would have y in common between those two terms. So we get 3 plus a. As you see, we have between these two terms a plus 3 or 3 plus a exactly the same. So I can make both of them to be a plus 3. And then I would factor a plus 3 out between these two terms. So in other words, what times the greatest common factor, which is a plus 3, give me the first term, here is missing 5. And what times the greatest common factor give you the second term, which is simply y. So we factor this to a plus 3 times 5 plus y.